Tinamaan na ako, walang hiya ka Kupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kapiliwang ito.
First stop to ng world tour. At least makikita natin yung before ko na figure. Well, I was really hoping it would nung ano, 'di ba kasi nung sa poster nakalagay world tour. I was really hoping there was some truth to it. I'm glad there was.
Oh yes, totally different yon, no? Once we have once a production is outdoor, mas mahaba or mas marami ang preparation tsaka requirement. Number one, dressing rooms. Number two, yung toilets. Number three, yung weather. Okay, whether it's hot or cold, we had to be prepared for it. Number 4, umuulan-ulan. And number 5, security-wise. So lahat naman yon naging okay naman siya. We just had to adjust from an indoor to an outdoor.
Na mga alas 11 pa. Eh syempre para makapwesto ng maaga. Kasi siksikan. Yeah. Parang feel ko parang ako si Ann Cortez.
Sabi niya talaga, gamanan siya. Super excited siya. And then she's so happy. And syempre first out of the country na ambisyosa. And it's a different atmosphere, it's a different country.
Syempre po maraming dati pa po nung una pa pong sinabi na pupunta si Auntie. Syempre super excited. Syempre po maganda po siya, mabait. Tsaka favorite siya ng mga kapatid ko. Po very excited po kami lahat. Syempre dahil makikita po namin sila dito at napuntahan po namin kami dito. Grabe.
Well, Chater Garden in Hong Kong is probably one of the most popular places kung saan tumatambay ang mga Pilipino. So, during their day off, pumupunta talaga sila sa Chater Gardens. Like on a Sunday, maglakad ka lang sa Central, I'm sure may makakasalubong ang Pilipino. For Chater Garden, 7 days before, parang everyday na nag-check kami ng weather update. Nung sinabi naman ng observatory na it's cloudy with a few rain patches, kasi Hong Kong Observatory is like really accurate. So nung sinabing few rain patches, naisip ko na ay sa umaga lang yan. Okay na tayo sa hapon. And that's actually the main reason that we had a canopy over the stage. Kasi usually when we do open air concerts, parang wala, bukas lang. Pero yun yung backup. I think yung mga tao, we actually prepared some umbrellas in case na umulan. Kasi sabi din ni Anne, magdala daw ng umbrella kasi daw baka daw umulan kasi kakanta siya. Pero that's not the reason we brought umbrellas. Yon. So, I think we were quite ready naman tungkol sa weather. And thankfully, maganda yung weather. I mean, yung mga tao, kahit tumayo sila ng 6 hours, hindi naman sila nainitan kasi it was a little cloudy.
In the makeup area, she was so nervous. Sabi ko, Mamang, why are you so nervous? This is, how many times have you been doing this already? So parang, sabi niya, syempre, na, out of the country, tsaka yung mga manonood, di ba? Parang gusto ko ma-please sila. So, which she did naman.
God, we thank you for bringing us here to Hong Kong, our first trip, Lord God.
Ladies and gentlemen, live at Hong Kong Standard Garden, let's all welcome the one and only Philippine concert sweetheart, the only star herself, Miss Anne Garden!
Inabangan namin si Anne! Concert niya! Kasi gusto ko siyang makita, personal.
Want you to make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world, like I'm the only one that you love, like I'm the only one who loves you, only girl in the world, like I'm the only one that's in command, 'cause I'm the only one who understands how to make you feel like a man.
Nung nasa stage na si Anne, I really felt that, okay, I can rest, I can sleep. Yes! Actually, before, like, my knees were really shaking na para akong babagsak anytime. Pero nung nasa stage na si Anne and G-Force was there, ibang klase yung dating nila.
But I can't let it go. 'Cause I'm lost in a hopeless place. Without love in a hopeless place. Without love in a hopeless place. Without love in a hopeless place.
Ang sexy niya, tapos confident siya kahit ano. Ewan ko, kasi singer na siya.
Grabe! I'm so happy to be here! Sobrang ang saya ko po na makita kayo dito. O, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo tignan nyo, makulimlim. Sabi sa inyo Nako, sana ho, winarning ko na po kayo na sana nagdala kayo ng payong. Unang kanta pa lang po yan, bumirit na. Kaya alam nyo na, mamaya, bigla na lang babagsak yan. So be ready for more kantahan, more piritan, okay lang ho ba sa inyo yun? Kung ganon, let's do this. Lights, camera, action.
It's a really good show because Anne can connect with the people. People see her sincerity. They really connect to her. Even she's not a concert artist, but she can entertain and she can connect with the people. So I think they really feel her and they feel her warmth. Plus the other guests. Of course, we had Derek Ramsey, which, I mean, they've starred together in 2 hit movies. So what a great combination. And also John Santos brought the comedy element. So it was just a really great combination, all 3 artists.
Pagpasensyahan niyo na po yung boses ko, lumamig, kaya ganito. Hindi po talaga ganito yung voice ko. Yung voice ko parang Regine, parang Sarah, Rachel Ango. Joke lang po.
It was so cold in Hong Kong. We did not expect it to be that cold. But buti na lang ready. Tapos si Mamang, buti na lang okay pa yung boses niya kahit malamig. But she was pretty nervous kasi yung manunood, 'di ba, parang special sa kanya na yung mga kababayan natin nagtatrabaho sa Hong Kong na ilang years na nagtatrabaho doon for their families. So parang it's both exciting and emotional for Mamang to perform in Hong Kong for them.
Sinasabi nilang sintonado si Anne, hindi na siya sintonado. She's very, very good. I think it helped a lot that Mr. Marvin Carrido, the musical director, is, I think, with Anne every step of her singing career. So, ayan, I think even yung mga nanood, yung audience, they were really happy. Kasi how Anne promoted the concert, she was like, don't forget to bring your payong kasi siguradong uulan, yun yung sinabi niya. Pero I think the audience, they were expecting na, ay baka nagjo-joke lang to si Anne ang pagkanta niya. Pero pagdating doon, she was really, really good. Like, I mean, production-wise, even her preparations, talagang magaling. So we were really very, very impressed.
Sobrang happy ako na tama ang hinala ko na magwawagi siya sa mga kababayan natin, mga kamadlang people natin sa Hong Kong na super homesick na. At hindi lamang super homesick, super excited for something new. So, and Anne is the best combination of somebody who will take you home and be new. Di ba? Bago yung produkto, bagong klase ng entertainment. And yet, concert pa din siya.
I'm sure alam niyo to. At sana po, Lord po muna. Kasi yung kantang to tungkol sa ulan eh. Ito po ang aking EG's medley. Medyo mababa to para sa akin, pero kaya naman. Let's do this.
Very, very receptive. Ilang beses kong sinasabi kina Epoy, I keep forgetting we're in another country. Kasi, ayun, panay nagtatagalog yung yung mga nasa paligid mo. Nakakalimutan ko talaga na nasa Pilipinas. Ay, nawala tayo sa Pilipinas. Yun.
get used to that feeling, you know, na they're calling your name, the energy's there, they just want to touch you, they want to see you, they want to, you know, have like even 1 second of your time. It's a wonderful feeling. Ako, para sa akin, ini-enjoy ko yun. So, kanina I wanted to go further and go around everywhere, but I understand for security reasons, hindi pwede. Pero, you know, getting on stage and feeling their love and the energy was more than enough.
Ang cute ka na!
Magkaiba yung sapatos mo.
Ganyan talaga ang uso yan. Kaiba.
O teka, alis na ako. Kakanta
Hindi
ka
pa
na.
pwede, hindi ka pa pwede. Sabi mo nga, gusto natin maghanap ng ka-join natin dito sa stage, diba? Alam niyo ba yung kantang Gangnam Style? Sinong magaling sumayaw ng Gangnam Style dyan? Hanap tayo!
Teka muna.
Ilan ba pwede? 3 daw, 3. Pili kong magaganda dyan, Derek.
Ang dami. Teka muna. Sila sasayaw?
Hindi, kasama ka.
Ha?
Yes! Sasayaw tayong lahat dito ng Gangnam Style.
The favorite part for me was the Gangnam Style with Derek Ramsey. Fun, you know, just the fun part of it. You know, she just really, the audience was laughing and they thought that was really good. But I mean, the whole thing together was good. But that, for me, that was the funniest and the most entertaining.
Dali ka na ate, game. Mukhang magaling ka sumayaw.
Ayan.
Oh, kailangan talagang Gangnam Style. Op. Hala, ayan na. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda mo kaya at... Hala! Ala! Ano yung hikaw mo? Nalaglag yung hikaw mo, te. Okay, mukhang magaling to, ha? Huwag nang dandansag! Ang galing ni Derek!
My favorite is when she sang with our singing contest winner. They sang "I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing" because she was really candid. She was really candid, and alam mo na it's something she really wants to do. Pero she's admitting na she might not be as good as other singers. Pero I mean, she's really not a bore to watch. Na tipong ikaw kung nasaan ka, sasayaw ka kasi it's really fun. I mean, all over the world, sana dalhin niyo ang Ambisyosa.
So pleasure na naka-duet ko siya. Tapos, ayun, talagang happy po ako ngayong araw na to. Kay Ann, thank you so much kasi napaka-big opportunity sa akin na nakasama ko siya kahit saglit lang. Tapos, ang ganda-ganda talaga niya. Grabe.
Stop first. It's a little hot in here.
Lady Gaga for me definitely was the hit. I think everybody said the same thing. The outfit, the whole, that whole style was just super funny. I think he'll do that again. Hopefully he'll be with us again for the rest of the world tour because his comedic aspect was fantastic.
Una po sa lahat, dumaan po kami sa audition.
Was that Tagalog?
Yes,
You're talking in Tagalog?
Yes,
it's okay.
because we are
I know.
Filipino, so we need to speak Tagalog.
Okay. I know a little Tagalog. Salamat po. Mahal kita. Salamat po. That's all. Oh, and minikaniko ni Monico ang makina ng minika ni Monica. Ang relo ni Leroy Royal. Buwan ng kabilugan ng buwan. Butika, bituka, butiki. That's all.
Ng mga madlang Pinoy na nandito. Sana ako napasaya ko kayo ngayong araw na ngayong linggo na ito. I love you all. O ito na. Call me maybe. Thank you, madlang people! I do wish and
Anne's an unbelievable woman, she really is the perfect example na if you love something that much, if you're very passionate about it, nothing's impossible. She believes in pursuing dreams, and this is one of her dreams, and she's ticked it off her dream list. And I wish I was a little bit like that, na ganyan ako katapang in the sense na kumanta at mag-perform ng nasa harapan ng maraming tao. Pero ako ninenervyos talaga ako. Hindi talaga para sa akin. But I'm doing this for her. I'm doing this for the Filipinos. And yeah, it's a great experience.
She is the most down-to-earth, sincere artist that I have met so far. She's really, really easy to work with. She's a joy. She's very, very sincere. I keep saying that over and over again, but that really comes through.
I will miss you guys. Thank you so
Ay naku, saya-saya, grabe! Saya-saya ko talaga! Feel na feel ko si Ann Curtis, lalo na nung pumasok si Direk Ramsey. Grabe!
Galing ng boses niya. Daig pa niya si Taylor Swift, ha? Ganda ng boses niya. Kayang-kaya niya.
And there you have it! Ambitiosa did invade Hong Kong. I hope you guys all enjoyed it because we certainly did. And we can't wait for our next upcoming tours. That's all for today, folks. Bye.
Kali ano ba to? Sana lang mapapansin mo rin ang kagandahan kong ito. Hirap na kasi ang lola mo napaliw na at sa kapapa